um, so I just woke up and I'm gonna code again. So while creating the chat app, um, I've realized I haven't been focusing much on cross-platform. So also, I'm gonna clean that client thing up. All right, where's it? I haven't been focusing much on like other devices, and how I knew that was what's it called? Somebody actually used it and told me that. Somebody from what's called from Reddit um used the they have used the um code, ran it, and one of them has said um when you type in the wrong password, it does not give you the what's called, you can't type it again. So also I realized this whole bug got fixed basically after commented out this code. So I don't know if it's fixed or not because it hasn't happened for a while. Okay, so one of the users actually said that they can't get the client to run again like after they enter the wrong password. So I'm not sure what they were talking about. Public key does not exist. Seriously? The bug happens right after I fucking... Public key file does not exist. Okay. There's a problem with writing it, apparently is what I see. No? It exists. Decoded data. Okay, it showed me that it exists. Sometimes just has a problem. Public key file does not exist and then it exists. That's very weird. Um, we gotta work on the client knowing, I meant the server knowing when the client shuts down. Alright. This public key file does not exist. So as the server shuts down because there's a broken pipe. Really? Who's public key file? Um, KJ. It's right here. So I mean, I guess this is wrong. So we'll just say this. All right. So he just texted me. He said, yes, and he checked my make file and ran make packages. So that makes the finding of it, the whatever it's called, a little bit less hard. Okay. So we're not gonna exit if they don't have it. All right. We're just gonna attempt to load the key. What the fuck? How? Where did I? Where did I like? Fuck. Okay. Fuck. Invalid username. What the hell? It receives it right there. Okay. It's on port 80. 80. Fucking first message glitch. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna work on cross-platform shit. Like, instead of just focusing on only mine, I'm going to focus on other systems as well. So we're not gonna be fucking having those problems with other users and shit. So I'm gonna run this machine and I'm gonna SSH into it and use all my terminal. Cause I don't want to really fucking use the GUI. Alright, so he said he's cloning the project again and running it with the right password this time. And I said, can you give me more info about the errors with screenshots? And he said, okay. I was like, alright, thanks. When's this shit gonna fucking load? Can this fucking work? Okay, so when he sends me the screenshots, that's gonna be very useful. So I can see what I need to, because once I see the screenshots, I know what to fix. Alright, so what's it called? It's not gonna be as hard as fucking figuring it out by just looking at the code. I'll just figure it out by looking at the output and whatever the fuck. So what I'm thinking probably is we're not sending an OK signal at some point, which is causing an error. Maybe, I'm not sure. Alright, okay. So let me SSH into this. Is SSH running? It's turning on. System CMD. System. I'm at system D. Okay. So it should not be. Alright. System D, SSH status. Fuck, what was it? Was it? Hold on. Okay, he sent me a. Okay. He said, oh, by the way, great job with RSA. Alright. On purpose. Alright. System D, that is SSHD. What the fuck you mean excess arguments? I'm fucking assuming it works, alright? Fuck this shit. Let me just SSH into this. Alright. So he said it works now, but that's not what I fucking want. I want the actual what actually happened. Alright. I want to know what actually happened so I can fucking prevent it. Um, let me log in. 205. Alright. Oh, it's asking for the password. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna go to desktop. We're gonna run Bash script image. Can I remove? What the fuck? Okay. Alright. So we connected that. Alright. Let's start a server right here. No, he was not talking about like, because he was using it on his machine, not from another machine. Alright. So what's called on his machine, it did not, it got an error. Alright. Fuck. It kicks me out from here. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, okay, okay. Now let me SSH into here to run the server again. Someone at 192.168.0.205. Okay, so we're logged in. Now let me go to the desktop end to end. Alright, we're gonna make packages real quick just in case we got any. Okay, hold on. Alright, so we're going to run make server. Okay, go to end to end, make client, clients up to date. Okay, let me remove client actually. What the fuck? Okay, recompile that. Permission denied. Oh, why does everything require fucking? Wait. Output file server. Same with this. I don't need super user privileges. Okay, let's run the server. Let's say make user. Oh, Getch on here is so ugly. Ah, oh, fuck. I've only been testing on my machine. Damn. Um. Um. Okay. Set that up. Alright, let's run the client. What the hell are you talking about? I need to run that with sudo too. Accept or no? I don't like the get shit. It's like so clanky and shit here. Public key sent to server. One client connected. Okay. Public key sent to server. Let's go in the code real quick. Oh my gosh. And boom. And send. I'm a client. Alright, public key sent to server. And then it receives that. Did it write it though? Um, um, fucking seriously? Oh my fucking god. Oh, it was my pseudo password, not the empty. Why is it empty? That's interesting. Server's being pinged still? Oh, it is. Hmm. Public key sent to server, and then there's nothing being encrypted or anything that's being sent. It's not like there's a decryption error. Is there? First of all, let me update it. Clients. Okay, let me um alright. It's already made, okay. God damn, that get shit is ugly. Okay. He texted. Oh, he said never mind. By the way, he said never mind. It wasn't an error. It was the rate limiting. The rate limiting is it's actually working. Okay, but why doesn't it work in virtual machines? It's working properly on other people's machines, but it's not working on my virtual machine, which is just very strange. Alright, I gotta find a better way to print the side message. Okay, so right here. Okay, let me cat the txt files. shit, let me go back. CD intent. Cat txt files, users active. There is nothing. It's not writing it properly. That's not it. Okay. Why is it printing that? That's just acting weird. .cpp users active. Alright. After public key is being okay. Send base 64. Alright, so we basically receive it. Oh my fucking god. Add that to override. What the hell? Alright, you know what? Why does everything need sudo? Fucking seriously? Oh my fucking gosh. I'm glad I have people testing my code though in the background, which is very good. Okay, we're gonna make the client. Forgot I need fucking sudo. That's very annoying. Wow, so it does detect if the server shut down. Okay, that's perfect. But what's it called? Gonna run this. Alright, so we're going to remove the side message the way it prints. We're gonna keep the side message, but we're going to remove the way it prints. Alright. Okay, so, because sometimes, I mean, it looks flickering and stuff, especially if it's a long uh, text that we're printing out. Okay, cannot connect to server. Different ports. And txt files. The port 49152. This is so fucking annoying. Holy shit. So we received a. Why did we? Decoded is equal to 1. Okay. It wrote it. Public key sent to the server. Then it sends the OK signal. Alright, let's. Okay, so the public key is sent to server. It writes it. Okay. Why is it printing this? Alright, let me. Um, let me. Fuck happened? Can't type in there. Only my actual term. This is fucking annoying. Come on. Damn. I don't even know how the fuck he ran on this machine. This virtual machine is not running it. I should just leave the cross-platform thing for now. It was running perfectly fine on his. It's just the Holy fuck, can you kill the damn terminal? This is like completely useless now. It can't run. God fucking damn. Okay. So I should focus on this and um I I have some stuff I wrote in the in my notes yesterday. I slept at 9 a.m. so uh I was just thinking about the coding and I wrote a lot of stuff that I can add. And I may be going back to 3 users or more. Alright. So what I said is, well, I got around 4 things I wrote. So number one is maybe make a thread in the server that listens in the background for data. If the data is less than or equal to 0 bytes, then it leaves the client and cleans up and stuff. But make it not interfere with the actual listening on the of the buffer and handle client when it's actually listening for the uh messages. Alright. So the second one I wrote was maybe from the client when the user leaves, then another tries connecting. The server tries that when the server sends the client in a chat a message, and when the receive messages function receives it, and base64 has a certain code at the end, then it means the server is gonna send a pub key, and the client is gonna receive it, and the client loads it on and stuff, but without showing the output of the loading and stuff. Alright. I just realized instead of just adding 3 users, I can add. Okay, look. So when a user leaves and then connects, I'll show you. Let me. Uh, when a user connects and stuff, let's say, let me go to programming TCP and then client. Alright. Say I have this, right? By the way, I posted something about fucking CMake and make files and like what do people hate them and which one should I choose and stuff. A lot of people said I should choose CMake. So I might be changing to CMake, which is quote unquote better, even though I never liked CMake. It's fucking annoying to use, to be honest. Alright, okay. I'm trying to show you this. Alright, okay. So say the client's joined, right? And then say fucking one, the first message plug again. Alright, say he leaves, okay? The guy has left the chat. Now say another client joins, okay? Now it's gonna ask them for the password and stuff. and yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, waiting to receive the password. All right. So first of all, it does not send the join message. Second of all, okay, so this guy can chat, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he can. So the reason why this guy can't send messages to the new user is because the new user does not have the what's it called? The new user, I mean, this guy did not receive the new user's um public key. The reason why this client that already exists is receiving messages from this guy is because this guy has the public key of this client, so he can send messages and this client can decrypt the messages that he's sending. But this guy does not have the public key to encrypt uh, this guy's messages, basically. So what we gotta do is we're going to hold a thread in the background uh, that basically waits for a what's it called? He said I meant what's called. So we have to wait for a certain message from the server. Okay, so I'm gonna say else if received message dot find. Well, not dot find, but I'll show you. Dot say substr. The last three. Uh, we'll say received message dot dot what um dot uh oh yeah, dot length -3. Comma the received message dot length. Okay, if that's equal to piece PSE for P sending, for public key sending of the other client that joins, we are going to basically receive the key. So the same thing where we do it. Where is it? Where is it? Same thing to where the way we do it right here. Um, where is it? Okay. So we're gonna use the same thing and then um yeah. Alright. So okay. Alright. Um we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna say of course we're gonna change a lot. So all this stuff that's not gonna be anything. Okay. Public key loaded. Now we don't want to print this shit out really, to be honest, because what's it called? Um yeah, it's not gonna look clean. If we're gonna say if not second sensei std cout cannot be loaded. Alright, so we're gonna make just a load object right here. Receive object 2. Alrighty. What the fuck? Alright, cannot be loaded. Else, don't tell us if it was loaded because we don't want to interfere with the chat or anything. Public key file does not exist. Let me fix that instead of exiting because that was just for debugging and shit. Okay. Alright. Actually, we're gonna leave that just for uh, testing because this is our first time. Alright, we'll do that. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some um wait a minute. Okay, so we gotta do the server too. Because um we gotta of course send what's it called? Hold on. Alright. Sorry, I was doing something. Okay, so we forgot to decode this and then decrypt it. We'll add a decryption object. Alright, so we're gonna say decoded. Well, actually, we don't need the message no more. Yeah, so we'll just leave that. We're gonna go to server.cpp. Okay, when a user leaves, we are not going to so user joins, we're not gonna remove the whatever it's called. Right, all the way till we get to the else statement. Down, up there. Okay. So right when we add them and stuff. gonna say joins plus plus. All right. So all right, we're gonna check if it's greater than 2. We're gonna send a message const std string. We'll say all right. We're going to encrypt this. All right. Enc dot base64 encode. Enc. Oh, actually, we don't need to do that. We're on TLS. We'll say user one message is equal to user one message. Okay. And there we go. Oh no. It's just gonna be enc. Okay, we're gonna say SSL right. To the client socket. The user one message needs to be a C style string. Okay, and then now this is our the length. We say str, actually just the size. All right, and then we are going to send the key of the third user. Well, not a third user, but the user that just joined, and that would be client usernames of one, because that's the latest user. All right, we're gonna send him that. But before that, though, we're gonna need to append something. User one msg dot append p key. What is it? PSE. All right. We send that, and then what's it called? Joins equals to. Then we are going to send this. All right. Send to clients to public key to client one. All right. Perfect. CL2 again. Okay. Two. All right, perfect. Send that. Okay. Now that the server, the user would receive that. He's expecting a file path though, as well. So we can say, client one, CL1 path would be basically this, except it's gonna be keys dash from server. Keys from server. Okay. Let's see this. Perfect. This should work just fine. It's been too long for us to not implement this. Okay. But wait, we also got to, okay, we also, first of all, let me go to my GitHub issues and shit. Um, user receiving pub key of new user after other. Okay, so we're gonna need to, damn, that's gonna be a little bit harder though. Let's see if we at least get the key, because the key is the most important part to get, of course. Make a, what's called, make the receive public key, um, use the new client's key. Alright, besides that, let's run that client script one more time. Say they're typing. This guy leaves. It's gonna tell him they left. Now let's say he wants to join back again. He has to enter the password, enter his name. Okay. Huh. Mm. Because that's affecting the current client as well. That's currently joining. Hmm. Alright, let's run this one more time. Rate limit reached. Fuck. Oh, that's perfect actually. It shows the pinging and then the timer as well. Perfect. Um, I am not waiting for the fucking timer thing. Perfect. Shut down. Alright, so we're gonna actually say brand I in connected clients. Actually not anti. For SSL unders. Hmm. SSL. Let's say clients in is it client TLS? Client socks. No, what is it? TLS. socks. There we go. For that, if client does not equal TLS sock of uh fuck, hold on. How am I gonna do this? Um, if oh, if client wait no, if client does not equal SSL, oh no, client socket, perfect. Then we wanna do that and send it to them. All right, perfect. So this should just be meant for the user that needs to receive it. It's not gonna do it for this guy that just joins. It's meant for all the other users that are in chat. Alright. Okay. Fuck, I didn't enter the password right. Alrighty. Alrighty. Okay. So it connects with the user. That fucking first message error. Anyways, um, there we go. He left. Now let's say we're connecting another client that joins right after that client leaves. Okay. It's still receiving the key thing. Then it aborts. Okay, let me just close the server. Um, huh. Okay, so, well, I am going to, damn, should I ignore it? Well, hold on. If client socket does, if client does not equal to client socket, TLS socks of one, that's over the other client that's going to join. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Wait, let's run this. Okay. Mhm. All right. There we go. He left. Deletes his key and stuff. Why the fuck is it? Runtime error cannot open file to write. Okay, hold on. So it's still sending. If client does not equal to that, I don't know. Because it still is receiving the. Hmm. How about I say like um std cout sending a key to sock and then the client. Okay. Now to that specific sock, it should just appear once and not multiple times. It should not be sending more than um it should not be sending to more than one socket. It should only be sending to the first socket, the first client that's already joined. So this is not hard coding it. This is actually doing it in a much better way instead of seeing, oh, this client this, then do this for this client. All right, we don't want to do that. This is saying if the client that joins, then of course, they're considered the newest client. So, and there's only a max of 2 clients. So client TLS sock of 1, index 1, that's the second client. And the second client is this client that just connected. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, let me leave. Oh fuck, what the fuck is this? He left. Sending message. That's message. What the hell? This is acting weird. The fuck? Hold on. Let me ignore that for now. Um, so we need to find a way to send it. Since it's not sending it properly. Four nine one five two. Okay, so I'm just gonna send the. I'm just gonna. Let me see how it is really quick by default again. So we're not gonna be sending the keys because for some reason it's not fucking sending the keys properly to like the specified person. It's just sending it to everybody else, which is just weird. Okay, and the server shuts down properly. Alright, if joins is equal to 2, sending that. Okay. It does not send the join message properly. I mean the exit message properly. Um what else? What should I do? Um okay, if they leave then that alright. If client does not equal to okay, we're gonna say std cout tls socks dot size and line um size tls socks Okay. Then we can say, all right, let's just do that for now. I want to see the server side's output. Oh shit, I forgot. Okay. All right. Let's run this again. Okay. Let's leave. Sends that properly. Let's try doing that. Okay. Let's go to the third one. Sends that. Alright. So, let's see. Sending Pokey to that sock only. Okay. The size is 2, so we are doing it properly. Else, let's see out. Ignore. Alright, we'll say ignore. There should be only one ignore message. Okay. That should be, there should be only one. If there's only one, then we know that, wait, why don't we just send it to the specific one client? I don't know. We'll see. Okay. To his specific socket on TLS socks at 0. I mean, shit, that'll work pretty good, I guess, without having to worry about the um for loop bullshit. He leaves. He knows it. Alright, let this guy connect as well. Okay. Alright, I'm not worried about that. Okay, so there is one ignore message. Okay. So it it should send, okay, it sends it once. Perfectly fine. You know what we're gonna say? For instead of this. Alright, look. Instead of all that, we can say, we're going to set, hold on. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's a dumb fucking mistake. I was sending it to the connected client sockets and not using the for loop variable that we're trying to, whatever it's called. I don't know how to explain it, but this should work now. And not sending it to the not required person because it was sending it to basically everybody. Because it was sending it to the current client socket. That current is always for everybody though. Okay, so let's run this. this person that leaves, then rejoins back, should not receive this. Alright. Okay, let's connect these two. Okay, they can talk. Let him leave. Alright, now let this guy do his thing. Okay, this guy did not receive it. He just knows this guy's in the chat, receiving that. Okay, let's see. Server received client keys. So, what's the user's name? This guy. DG, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so yeah, it works properly. Perfect. Server received. Oh, wait, no, that's server received client keys. Alright, that's the keys of that guy, which is this guy. Okay, so that key that's being sent is not being saved properly. Alright, that makes sense. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, okay, let's say this guy leaves. He's gonna have the, okay. So, right when the, we're gonna need to take care of that. So, let's see this. Gonna go all the way up until I receive, well, in our client. Receive messages right here. Alright. Save file PAM. Alright, let's std out sec key 2 key. Alright, let's see what it's receiving so we can observe it and find out what's the problem. It's probably sending the file path together because we don't have a small delay. So it's probably sending the file path with the key data, which is causing this because the key data is in base64, so it can contain slashes. So yeah, we'll see though. Okay, say he leaves. He left the chat. This guy connects. Alright, so sec key 2 is that. That's sec key 2. Really? Okay, let's go to your keys, which is this guy's keys. Okay, I wanna find. No, it's the private key. Um, okay, so there's a problem. Alright, let's go to our server down. Alright, so it's doing all this, okay. It reads it, sends it. read the PEM key. That was, alright, we're gonna say cout key to send CL2 again. What should this, what is the original? Okay, and then it aborts it when the server shuts down. Hmm. Alright, let's see this. Okay, pretty sure we gotta modify the ports. Yep. 49152. Alright, let's run this client. So, damn, you know, I just realized I haven't even ate or drank water ever since I fucking woke up. So, yeah. Alright, we're going to go right here, exit. Now let's see the data that's going to be sent to the client. Key to send, okay, it sends, it's supposed to send that. But the key is receiving this. Or maybe it's confusing it with the other buffer. Set key. Let's see if this changes. We're gonna say CL2. It is. I see why. Okay. You see, these are not changing because they're using the set key buffer from all the way down there. So we gotta change a lot of this. Um, BTCL2. Now this is gonna be sec2 buff. See? Okay, that makes a lot of fucking sense now. Now this CL rec v. CL2 rec v I meant. Alright, we're gonna need to change a lot of that. Oh shit. With CL2 rec v. Okay. Let's do that. So it is sending the key properly that it's supposed to be sending. We just have not, pretty sure we were using the other buffer. I'm not sure exactly though. I don't think so. I don't know. Because that would not make sense actually. So I'm not actually completely sure on what I'm saying. Okay. No? Mm-mm. These fucking neighbors with their lawnmowers are so annoying. It's not even receiving it properly. It's not even receiving like half of it at least. What the fuck? The other guy got aborted. That's so weird. What the fuck? It's not. It's just weird. It's not uh even sending the proper one. How about we base 64 decode it actually? Yeah, let's code it. Wait. Oh. Wait, this should be the file path. Oh. Wait, should it be? Okay, hold on, hold on. Let me base 64 decode this, because we're not encrypting it. We're just encoding it. Alright. But wait, the sec key. Okay, wait a minute. So, what's called? We're, but wait, the encoded, what's called? Text, the, what is it? Hold on, I'll show you. Let's just see what it's gonna decode to. Is it like an actual message or an encrypted message? What's it trying to do? Alright, let's go right here. Okay. So key to send, receiving that. Oh yeah, oh, set key to the decoded version, I'm guessing. Yeah, right here. It can't print it properly because they guessed it. So, yeah. Um, so we gotta, so we're not receiving the path first, actually. We're receiving the file to save to. I mean, we're receiving the file. We're not the path, which is, oh, I see why. It's because this, we're not even sending this. So why don't we say this, it should be CL1 path. Okay, send that, and then the base64 encoded shit. Set key 2 should be the file path. Alright. So set key 2 should be just the file path. And then it should save the file and load it properly. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's let this guy leave. Okay. Attempting to load the user's key, so we got the path properly. Then what's it outputting? It's like, um, what's it outputting? Oh, it's outputting the actual message. But wait, let's go to keys from server. Okay, it's actually the key. Now let's say do that. He received it. Perfect. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty beautiful. It works. And then this is the message. So we're outputting it somewhere. Where's that? Where's that? Mm-mm-mm. Um, let's remove this, by the way. Oh, it's doing it right here. So we're actually gonna clear receive message after. So because it's printing it out right here and then sending it to Getch and then printing it out, or it's doing it right here. Either way, it does not matter because just we can just received message received, not that, received message dot clear. Also, we don't have to worry about the public key thingy because we can just load it from here and it's working properly. It's working just fine, it looks like it. Server shut down. Okay, wait, let me compile that again. Alright. So this should not give us like any output for the user that joined when it's loading the keys or some shit. So we should just load the keys and that's it. And the user that joins the chat, we're going to need to fix the join message not sending. Um, yeah. Oh my fucking gosh. Fucking ruined the whole output. Okay, received. Received is public key. Alright. Just gonna continue. Alright. Attempting to load his key. Alright. So the load, uh, so after it says attempting to load. Oh, hold on, let me fucking end the server shit real quick. Just compile this. Change the port. Okay, we're gonna run this. Fuck. Alrighty. Okay. Let's connect another user. So now we're not gonna have fucking troubles. Just rate limit reached. Fuck! Uh, okay, that's fine. It's whatever. I guess we'll wait 100 seconds. Alright. I'm gonna mute until it's done. Alright, so I added that. Pretty much done for right now. I'll code later, of course, and stuff. But we finished that, and yeah, that wasn't that tough. So now if we wanted, we can basically add 3 clients, maybe, or like group chat features, maybe some shit like that. Maybe in the future. Besides that, I mean, I'm completely done with this, so I don't have to worry about, oh, if I get it wrong, I'm gonna have to restart the whole server and stuff. No, now the user can just leave and then join back without a problem. So yeah, um, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's it. So at night, let's see what I want to do and add. Um, I'm really procrastinating this, to be honest, even though that's the most important one. Um, Add server and user commands. I really want to do this. It seems very fucking fun. But first, let's go to the Getch. Okay. Now let me show you. So this is gonna be a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit annoying to do, but it works. Okay. I don't know what's called, but I just want to show you. So you see how this is flickering? The longer text it has to print out, the more flickering it's gonna do. Now the reason why is because it's erasing the whole line and then reprinting the whole text again. Okay, look. Look how it's flickering. Now I don't want that, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete the whole so instead of just printing out the okay, so I'm gonna do on the server first. So instead of just reprinting out the whole thing, why don't we leave that? Why don't we leave this printed out from the beginning, right? This thing, the side message, and instead of erasing the line, we erase the text that's already there. And actually, what if we say um, this and message dot size is greater than 0. So this is not causing flickering, like unnecessary flickering. What's it called? So it looks a lot better instead of just causing unnecessary flickering. That's a hold on. Okay. So we're going to update this shit. Alright. Now let me show you. It's not gonna be flickering like for no reason when there's nothing that's being typed. This is gonna be better performance and better what's it called? Better looking, I guess. Alright. So let's connect the client. Okay. See? It's not doing that. Up until we type something, then it has to reprint the whole thing. Besides that, it's not flickering when we're not typing anything, when it's at 0. Okay? See, it's not flickering at all. So it has a proper thing, but when we type and then we have to, and then we actually have a value, see it starts flickering because it erases the whole line. But when we're at 0, when we're not typing anything, it does not flicker because I added the condition. If it's 0, if the vector is 0, then don't print out anything. Like don't erase the line and stuff because that's what's causing flickering. Just continuous doing it in a whole loop. So you know what I want to do? I want to, instead of erasing the whole line, how about, let's see some ANSI codes. We erase from the size of the vector. Okay, let me put this. Instead of erasing whole line in Sketch to reprint the side MSG, just delete the vector messages thus the 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 amount of chars and messages in message vector. All right. To remove flickering. That's gonna be a lot better for us, and it's gonna be a lot better looking. So it's not continuously flickering and shit. So, um, what do we want to do? Instead of erasing the whole line, we want to, okay, instead of using an ANSI code, I don't think there's an ANSI code for this, but we're going to need to, first of all, we're going to need to, uh, what's it called? We're going to need to, actually, you know what I can do? I could just use, wait, what the fuck? Hold on. Yeah, why don't we do this? So it's a destructive backspace, so it actually erases, but we're doing it for the amount of the message size. So we're not erasing the whole thing, like the whole side message and shit. That seems like a better idea, to be honest. So instead of reprinting the whole side message, we just do that. Now let's see this real quick. I'm gonna mute so I can focus. Now, isn't that a lot better? No flickering, no nothing. Let's say we want to set that. Oh, okay. Hold up. It starts getting weird a little bit. Um, okay, let me go back to focusing. Hold on, this guy sent me a message. Alright, he was just asking me about Boost. This guy's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Anyways, for right now, let me not do this. Okay, I'm gonna take care of this later. Okay, we're gonna keep that though, only that. Alright, we're going to say added condition for vec for message vec to not reprint if message size is 0 for less flickers. Alright, so I am going to I'm gonna end the stream right here. We added a lot of, well, not a lot, but like some pretty good shit that are fucking needed. I'm gonna go eat because I'm fucking pretty hungry and I didn't eat anything. I cuss a lot. I just realized that I should probably fucking chill out. And I just did it again. Anyways, um, yeah. So when I come back, on stream, I might stream at like 10 p.m. Really any time that I feel like it's. Um, when I come back, I am going to make get not flicker as much and add some more conditions. And what else? What else? What else? Um, what do I have in my GitHub issues? Okay, so add server and user commands. I'm not worried about features right now. I'm just going to worry about the main parts, like ensuring the public key of the second user that connects after the client leaves is sent properly, and what's called, which we already did that. Um, and then what else? What else? Um, yeah, that's that, and then the Getch thing. All right. Anyways, bye.